Exercise 1.1, problem 7, solution. For A, for set A which is equal to set A, x is such that x is a prime factor of 42, and set B is x is such that 5 less than x, x less than or equal to 12, x element natural number, and C equal to 1, 4, 5, 6, verify A union B union C equal to A union B union C. So basically this is a associative property. That is, whatever order you are doing, the final outcome is going to be the same. So here B union C is done first and then A is united. And in this case the order is changed. A is united with B and then it is united with C. So if both are equal, that is if the operation is independent of the order, and for three elements, three operations or two operations, then this is called associative property. Earlier we did A union B. We checked for A union B is equal to B union A. That is only one operation on two sets. And that was commutative property. But if the same property is extended for three sets and two operations, then it is known as associative property. So here we are checking for the associative property of a set operation union. Okay, another difference here is that the set elements are not listed directly. It's described here. That x is a prime factor of 42, and here x is such that 5 is less than x and x less than or equal to 12, and x is element of a natural number. In this case it's listed out. To do all this checking, first step is to list out all the elements of for set A and set B, and then do this left hand side separately, right hand side separately, and check whether they are equal. Okay, so now let's do it. So 42 factors of 42 is 2, 3 and 7, and all three of them are prime factors. So prime factors of 42 is 2, 3 and 7. So that is set A. Then set B, 5 is less than x and x is less than or equal to 12. So what does this mean? 5 is less than x. So x is greater than 5. Right? Next, x is less than or equal to 12. So x will be less than 12 or it will be equal to 12. So it means 12 is the outer boundary. Okay, inclusive of 12. If they say x less than 12, 12 is not included. But here in this case, x is less than or equal to 12. So which means 12 is the last number. Starting number is greater than 5, which means 6. Ending number is 12. So the elements are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got it? So this is how we'll have to list the numbers first. As I said, if they have told x is less than 12, then 12 will not be here. 11 will be the last number because x is told that it is less than 12. So 11 will be the last number because it's a natural number. Okay, right. Now C is already listed. Okay, C is given 1, 4, 5, 6. So let's take the LHS. So in LHS, we have to do first what is in the bracket. So we'll have to do the B union C. So combine these two sets, okay, and do not repeat the elements. So that's the rule for union. Am I right? So you can see 1 is the smallest number, so 1 will come here. There is no 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 6 is there. We will not repeat it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is B union C. Now we need to unite this with A, right? What is A? A is 2, 3, 7, and write this set here B union C here. So you have to unite these two. So if you look at it, the best way is write this. First write 2, 3, 7 and start writing the elements of the second set appending to it, that is attaching to it or next to it, without repeating the variables. Then rearrange the variables in a particular order. Whereas I have skipped that step and I am writing the resultant set straight away in the in ascending or descending order. But this is likely. There's a good chance of missing out elements, so it's better to combine these two elements. Like in this case, it will be 2, 3, 7. Then start writing 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there, so we should not repeat. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then rearrange that into an ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm skipping that step and writing it straight away. Okay, how do you do that? Start with the smallest number 1. So 1 will come here. The next is 2. Okay, 3. And in this case, what you can do is that you can strike out the numbers. 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is done, 4. Okay, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's in the ascending order, so straight away write it. So all these numbers are covered. And 7 is already covered there, so that is also in. We don't need to worry about it. So A union B union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or 1 to 12. Okay, so this is A union B union C. This is equation 1. Now let's try the right hand side. What is the right hand side? We have to do first A union B, then combine that result with, unite that with set C. Okay, A union B, so you have to combine these two, right? So if you see 2 is the smallest number, 2, 3, then 6, 7, okay, then 7 is already there, so we don't need to worry. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's what the result here. Then you need to combine this with C, right? So let's check again. So 2, 3, okay, so I've written it here. Okay, 2 and 3 is there. Oh, sorry, this is A union B. This needs to be combined with C is 1, 4, 5, 6, right? So now you see 1 is the smallest. 1 is there, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 10, 11, 12. Okay, but the best thing, as soon as you write that, you strike it off here. So 1 is done, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is already taken care, so we don't need to worry about it, right? And 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I write it out here. So A union B union C is also 1 to 12. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, you can see sets A union B union C is also equal to A union B union C. In this case, both are from 1 to 12. Thus, the set union is associative. Okay, so it's basically a simple operation. You have to do the LHS separately, RHS and separately, and check whether they are equal. But in this case, they have not listed the elements. So first step will be to list out these elements, and then only we'll be able to start the operation. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.